Hey guys, I am Meek. Welcome back to my channel Meek 2083. It's been so long since I made the last vlog, so today is a special day. Suddenly I made a plan to go to Cox's Bazar after all these years. Last time I went to Cox's Bazar was in 2022, so you guys have probably seen all the videos already in my channel. So yeah, today is a as you guys can see, it's really hot today and I'm sweating like a pig. And yeah, so suddenly going to Cox's Bazar with my cousin, elder brother. You guys will see him later in the video. So yeah, I'm in my home parking now. You guys can see my scooter behind me. So not taking this one, taking a bus to the Cox's Bazar. And yeah, now going to my cousin's place, and from there we'll go to the bus stop, and from there we'll start the journey probably at 11 p.m. something like that. So anyways, this was it. This was the intro of the video, and another journey begins from tonight. So it's probably gonna be few days, not like 10, 15, 20 days like before I did. So yeah, so it's gonna be fun, I guess. So let's go and watch till the end, and let's see what happens. Hey guys, now let's go and catch a Uber and let's see. Uber. Guys, finally got into the Uber and I am going to my cousin's place, so let's go. Yeah, mama. Hey guys, a super traffic jam today, and it's still stuck in traffic jam. Now I will first have to go to my cousin's place, and then from there we'll go to the bus stop. But it's super traffic jam and like still stuck. Usually it takes less than half an hour, but now it's taking almost more than an hour. So yeah. So stick with the video and let's see what happens. Hey guys, finally reached. এতটুক ব্যাগ কিছু নাও না? নাও নাই কিছু?
এই যে আমার ব্যাগ আমি কি 20 দিন হয়ে যাবো নাকি?
আমি তো 1 মাস। ল্যাপটপ, আইপ্যাড, है ना?
ল্যাপটপ আইপ্যাড কি করব?
তো লাগবে না? Hey guys, finally
এইসব নয়সা করতে করতে তো
finally we are going to the bus stop.
ইনশাআল্লাহ
And this tour is sponsored by Dupenware. So let's see what happens. So let's go.
কিনলাম সিগারেট কিনলাম, ঠিক আছে। ঘুরুন কারণ যা বিয়ার খাবো না, না না কেন তোরা বলবো আমি এগুলো কিছু জানি
Sabi cigarette, hookah?
গান ভালো করে গান নিতে পারবো এখানে ঘুমাই
Yan lang. Hookah.
ভালো লাগে না, ওখানে না ভালো লাগে।
Hey guys, finally reached the bus stop. Now looking for the Green Line bus counter.
গ্রিনল্যান্ডে আসতে পারি, গ্রিনল্যান্ড
Hey guys, running from counter to counter. They have got multiple bus counters, but every time we got into one counter and they're like, not this one, the next one, and it's only 2 minutes walk from here. Too much hassle and only got few minutes. Our bus is at 11 p.m. and it's only 3 minutes to 11, so don't know what's gonna happen. Probably gonna miss the bus.
এই ভাই
Super chaotic place and super chaotic situation.
হ্যাঁ চেঞ্জ হয়েছে আমার বাসটা, চেঞ্জ মানে বাস না সমস্যা।
Finally. Hey guys, now going for to get an energy drink for me and a Sprite for my bro. কত? 50। Hey guys, my cousin brother, his name is Lupin, and now we are going to where? Cox's Bazaar. Now I'm gonna drink my speed. Hey guys, drinking coffee from the Green Line bus stop, Nescafe coffee station. So some Nescafe coffee before hopping into the bus. Cheers. Hey guys, our bus 310 is here. So they just announced to get into the bus. So now we're going to hop into the bus and this is our bus. Not this one, that one. Kunda. It. So this is our bus, guys. The blue one, not the white one. So let's get inside the bus. Hey guys, just gave my luggage back to the luggage section of the bus. I never did this before. This is the first time I'm doing it. So feeling a bit weird, but anyways, hopefully it stays safe. Hey guys, finally getting into the bus. Hare Krishna. Oh, finally. What do you think about the bus? Very pious person. I'm giving. Hey guys, it's 23:49 and finally our journey started, and now I'm wearing my mask because I have to wear it because it's enclosure inside the bus. So yeah, no light in here.
We are going together. My brother is from another mother.
ছিল না সিটু সিটু নাম্বার কত কক্সবাজার
My brother from another mother.
হ্যাঁ ভাইয়া ডলফিনের সামনে না ওদিকে
ডলফিন যাবে 7:30 আগে গেল সামনে তো কোনো রাস্তা নেই
আমি এসে ছাড়বো আপনাদের কাউন্টারে
হ্যাঁ রাস্তা নেই তোমাকে দিয়ে দাও
Hey guys, still inside the bus, crossing Kumilla. It's 1:30 in the morning, so let's see what happens. Hey guys, journey break. Journey break and frosted camera for the temperature because it was. Guys, we're in Greenview Hotel. Probably gonna have some food, but let's see what happens. Hey guys, we're eating chicken khichdi in green কি হোটেল জানি ভাইয়া এই হোটেলের নাম কি গ্রিন ভিউ হোটেল in কুমিল্লা so hopefully it's gonna be tasty. Lupenway is eating it and it seems like it's really yummy. Really yummy. We're super starving, bro, so everything is gonna taste yummy anyways. So let's eat and after that let's see what happens. Hey guys, done with the khichdi, chicken khichdi. You guys can see how yummy it was. Super yummy khichdi, and in the 2 a.m. in the morning and having khichdi in Kumilla highway. So, and after that having this tea. Highway foods are making us super high. Highway foods making us high. So how long it will take? More 4 or 5 more hours?
Yes. Maybe 5, 6 hours.
6 hours. 6 more hours. And after that we will be taking dips in the ocean. Hey guys, I gave my phone to charge it in the counter, and they're really good guys. Charged my phone for me. Thank you. And I had an awesome tea and the best khichdi ever. Hey guys, this is the parking of the Greenview Highway Hotel. Have a look. And that is our bus. So let's get inside the bus. Highway journey break is over. Finally back in our seats. ছোটবেলা থেকে guys, we had deep sleep and now we just woke up, and now like we're laughing out loud. Laughing for no reason. Probably there is laughing gas in the bus. And it's 5:45 now, and probably more 2-3 more hours and we'll reach Cox's Bazar.
You get the vibe after 17 years.
And then we did it. Probably the bus didn't stop in Chidong.
Yeah, we almost
Nah, Chidong cross. Probably it's like a Cox's Bazar Express bus or something. So yeah, so we'll reach within few hours to Cox's Bazar and then see you guys in there. And if it takes a journey break, and then we'll see you Otherwise, we'll see when Cox's Bazar guy. So let's go. Hey guys, the final journey break in Four Seasons restaurant. And from here it's only probably an hour or less than an hour to Cox's Bazar bus stop. So yeah.
চাচা খাবি
Nah,
10 মিনিটে কি খামু
coffee?
কফি না চা
Can have a cup of coffee.
নিয়ে যাও টাকা দিই
Nescafe, এই যে এখানে
না না
instant coffee.
চা খাই চা
Okay. You have to go there and sit.
না না সিট খেতে দিন না
No, you can. Oh no, it's not. না এখানে কিভাবে আনবো?
ভালো জানেন খাই 10 মিনিট সময় তো
Let's go, guys. Hey guys, just use the toilet. Now gonna have coffee. Only an hour, guys, and after that we'll be paddling in the ocean. Breaking waves with the ocean. We'll become professional surfers. Cloud9. Hey guys, couldn't finish my coffee, gonna finish it inside the bus. But still didn't went inside because Lupin had to have a cigarette. One last one before entering the bus. Hassle. So let's go, guys. Cox's Bazar, here we come. So what we're going to do in Cox's Bazar?
We'll find some fresh meat.
Huh?
We will find some fresh meat.
Fresh seafood.
Seafood stinky.
And then fresh bamboo chicken, Bangladeshi hill tracks, Bangladeshi hill track, indigenous food, bamboo chicken, and then bamboo rice.
We need to find some momo.
Momo though is Nepali Tibetan food, but
I know.
I'm talking about some Bangladeshi southern indigenous food, bamboo chickens or something related to bamboo, because I never tried bamboo মানে food cooked inside the bamboo. I always watched it in YouTube, people going to Shajeg and eating bamboo chicken or bamboo rice or bamboo pulaus or whatever. Yeah. Nah, there is I saw like few days ago there is a new restaurant, bamboo something. I have the name of the restaurant. There you can have it. But they always have bamboo chicken. Like they were saying that now you don't have to go to Shajeg or Bandarban to have bamboo chicken. You can have it in Coxsazar. Not hey, Bamboo Hub restaurant. Bamboo Hub restaurant. There you can have bamboo related food 24/7. Now you don't have to go to the hill tracks or Bandarban or Shajeg. We can have food in there. Bamboo Hub. Yeah, you got it, Bamboo Hub. Coxsazar, Kolatuli. So I think it's gonna be awesome if we go to Bamboo Hub. So guys, we're gonna have food in Bamboo Hub. Hopefully. Finally gonna have bamboo chicken. Hey guys, finally reached the Cox's Bazar bus stop. Cox's Bazar bus stop, and now I'm gonna get up here, and from here gonna take a auto rickshaw to the main town, Dolphin roundabout, and from there we'll look for hotels. We didn't book any, so we have to look for hotels. And let's see after that which hotel we can get a room.
লাস্ট স্টপেজ বাস টার্মিনাল সবাই রেডি হয়ে যান
So let's hop out and then we'll see. Hey guys, I got our luggage. So let's go.
এটা বড় দাম না
এটা ভালোই দাও
না না খাও খাও লাগ পানি পানি লাগছে ওই বড় তো
CNG নিতে হবে।
সিএনজি লাগবে
হ্যাঁ?
ব্যাটারি
ওই তো ব্যাটারি ব্যাগ।
দূর না তো বড় কাছে
এই যে ব্যাগ। ওই যে।
এই যে বা সিমু
Where
যে বানা
100 Goodbye, Green Line bus. Have a good one. We had a good one. We had a good one in Green Line bus. We have a good one, Green Line bus too. And now let's see what happens. Convertible auto rickshaw only in Bangladesh. Tesla auto rickshaw convertible. So guys, let's go to Kolatali Dolphin intersection. guys, we are in a Tesla convertible auto rickshaw in Cox's Bazar, going to Sea Moon Hotel in Kolatoli. Hopefully gonna get a room, but didn't book it before. Huh? So finally reached Cox's Bazar, Sea Moon Hotel. Okay. Hey guys, couldn't get any room in Moonness. Now going to Seymour. Probably gonna get a room in there. Our billionaire boys. Seymour नहीं बना शादी বলেন রেস্টুরেন্টের নাম শাইক
এটা কিন্তু ভালো এটা কিন্তু রুমটা খালি রাখতে পারতাম
সেইমানে ভালো বস সেইমানে
আরে ভালো হলে কি ভালো তো আছে রেস্টুরেন্টে ভাড়া বেশি না
আমি তো লাস্ট টাইম ছিলাম সিগাল হোটেলে 15,000 টাকা He was telling me sea level is gonna rise. Sea level rise.
1 minute.
1 minute. Arabian. Saudi Arabian.
Yeah.
Saudi Arabian.
Yes.
Riyadh.
Makkah.
Saudi Arabian guy driving tuk-tuk in Bangladesh. They'll like Sea Crown. Guys couldn't find any room in Seymour. Now going to Sea Crown and let's see what happens. 7K এটা নিবে
4 লিটারের পানি কিনছি 5 লিটারের গেল দুদিন
we'll drink only ocean water. We don't need mineral water.
বারবারে
We'll-
টানার করে কষ্ট আছে
We'll drink ocean water, salt water full of vitamin D and whatnot, vitamins in ocean water.
তবে সিমনের রুমগুলো বড় ভালো বুঝছো
না সিমুন ভালো না
রুমগুলো ভালো
ইয়েতে যাই সেলর couldn't find any room in anywhere, so now going to Sailor.
এভরিওয়্যার হ্যাপি
Everywhere have room, but no one likes us. Everyone is like, nah, we are not gonna give you guys any room, so you guys can just camp in the beach or something. That's what they told us in a free hotel. Ocean Paradise? আমার টাকা বল ব্যালকনি এই যে এটা ওশান প্যালেস
এটা তো তাহলে আমরা থাকতে পারি এই যে ইউনিভার্সিটি ভালো ইউনিভার্সিটি ভালো
হ্যাঁ এটা
এগুলি ভালো কম এগুলি
চলো নাকি আগে সেলরটা দেখুন
এগুলি পাওয়া যাবে এগুলি অ্যাভেলেবল এগুলি অনেক কমে দিতে হবে এগুলো 3টা আছে এটা সামনে দেখ রিয়া চেইন এই যে বসতি বেরিয়ে রাস্তা দেখে আমি
এই যে এটাও ভালো এখানে এই যে সি প্যালেস এটাতেও থাকে So guys, Mama Cheese. Guys, let's enjoy the Kolatoli road.
ছিল
হ্যাঁ মামা চিনতেছি একবারে বিচের উপরে
ভিতরে থাকলে কিন্তু হাঁটাতে কোনো চোখ না
হাঁটা যাবো না বিচের উপরে রেডি
একটা দিকে চেকেন দেখা নাহলে ওটা রুম দেখা
এই সেলরটা পুরো মনে হবে যে আরাম
আচ্ছা একটা দিকে
না না সেলর এই যে একবার বিচের উপরে মনে হবে একবার আরাম গোয়াতে গোয়া ভাই সি প্রিন্সেস দেখা যায় সেলর এটা ভালো না না সেলর সেলর
কোথায় রুম মিলতে নেই
আচ্ছা Okay guys, reached Sailor. Let's see if I can Mama. If we can get a room. Guys, got a room in Sailor, but it's non-AC, so we cannot take a non-AC because it's 35 degrees Celsius already. So now going to the hotel beside Sailor Sea Princess. Let's see if we can get a room in here.
ভিতরে প্রবলেম বুঝছো হাঁটাহাঁটি করার সম্ভব নেই পাঁচ হাজার টাকা এরকমই মুখে যদি স্যামনি নেওয়া যায় কথা বুঝছ না তাহলে কিলোর মধ্যে আমরা লোকেশনের ব্যাপার আছে
Hey guys,
আট দিনে 7,500 7,500 নিয়ে দিলে তেমন ভালো
আবার ডবল বেডও তো হইতে হবে মানে দুইটা বেড
হ্যাঁ ইয়েতে ডবল বেড থাকে রুম বড় কিন্তু
তাহলে ওগুলোই ভালো
এত হাইটা ছোট্ট লাগবে দেখলাম মোবাইল দেখবে কান্দা
So guys, couldn't find any hotel in here, room in here as well. So now going to Kolatoli Road, probably gonna get a room in there. And
আরেকটা আছে কলাতলির ভিতরে
so let's see what happens.
কক্সফুডে একটা
Hey guys, now came to this hotel named White Orchid in Kolatoli Road. Hopefully gonna get a room in here. So let's see what happens. That's what happens if you don't book a room before arriving to Cox's Bazar. So always book a room before arriving to Cox's Bazar to avoid hassle that we are having now. So expensive. You couldn't get a room. It's so expensive, like a 5-star hotel. So
তারপরে আটটা আছে এদিকে ওই আরো পরে একটা কেটে
now we're going to a hotel named Sapphire. So guys, I suggest you guys always book a room before arriving to Cox's Bazar. Never do this mistake that we have done today. Oh, এটাও তো নতুন।
চিবিতে অনেক ভালো ভালো
So let's see if we can get a room in here. After that probably we'll have to go to another hotel. Guys, couldn't get a room in here either. So now going to another one.
অনেক ক্লাসের প্রিয় হোটেল
তাহলে ওটা দিয়ে যাই।
এই যে গ্রেস কক্স, হ্যাঁ এই যে এটা কথা বলছিলাম, হ্যাঁ এটা তারা দেখে
Grace
দেখে তো।
So let's see Grace Fox can give us a room or not.
জানতে তো পারি
Guys, got a room but in going to another one.
না না পেলে সিঙ্গেল নিলে মুখ করব
না না এদিকে দুইজনে দুইটা তো বাহুস এলজিবিটি লিগ্যাল এলজিবিটি
না
এই যে এগুলোও কিন্তু ভালো এগুলো
জায়গায় পাইবেন
এটা
তারপরে কি এগুলো
আমি যেটা বলছি এখানে
Hey guys, got a room in here but it's bit smaller, so now going to another one. It was suitable but bit smaller, and the balcony is also small, so now going to this one, another one. Which one? Hotel Beach Park? Boshot. Now going to this Boshoti Bay Resort, and after that we'll make a decision. Hey guys, finally got a room in Boshoti Bay Resort. You guys can see it behind me. In here. কত কত দিব
আমি বলবো না আপনাকে
তো
থাকো তুমি নাম্বারটা লও না
নিজে নিছি
মনে আছে এবার ফোন করে যায়
সমস্যা নেই আমরা ঘুমাই
So yeah, got a room in here, but there is no breakfast, only room and
ব্যাক নোট আছে
furniture.
এটা কি ফোনটা তো সেফটি আছে
So let's go and check out the room and then we'll get freshen up. Hey guys, we're now filling up the forms. So now we'll go to our room and we'll get freshen up, and then we'll go for food and mucking in the beach. Room number kano? Our room number is 707. So, but we don't have any sea view. It's a rear balcony,
সাধারণ লাগবে
not a front balcony. So yeah, so let's go. Hey guys, let's go to the room. Here is the lift. Mezban.
আলগনি ম্যাচ আলগনি আপনি কি দিতে পারবেন 2.5 সব 3-4 পার্কে করে আসে শালি দুতলা ভালো কি আছে
অনেকবার থাকছি 10 বছর আগে থাকছি সাততলা না
7th floor.
এইটা বদল আছে হোটেল হিসেবে
But
ভালো ছিল
Arabian punk.
ও রিটেস্টেশন
না বদল ভালো ও কোনো প্যারা নাই ও নাম্বার নিছিস না
No.
তো ওরে দেবো
7th floor কি top floor?
না উপরে রেস্টুরেন্ট আছে
Restaurant আছে?
কিন্তু বন্ধ এখন বন্ধ
ম্যানেজমেন্ট নিয়ে দ্বন্দ্ব
উপরে যাবো স্যার।
স্যার আপনার চ্যানেলের নাম কি?
মোবাইল
মোবাইল নিয়েছে স্যার।
মোবাইল লিখে দেবেন।
আচ্ছা
লোক তো কিছু না ভাইয়া তোমার নাম? ঠিক আছে। You don't like it? You don't love it? এটা না?
Perfect. Nice room. Balcony.
আচ্ছা পানি পড়ে আমার কিছু জানবো না।
Huh. Guys, finally got into a room, but not much of a balcony view, but anyways, can crash in here because all day we are gonna be roaming around Cox's Bazar city. So room is only for taking a bit of rest. So yeah. So check out the balcony views. This there is a bit. This bit view of the road. Oh, there is the ocean. You can see the ocean from here, but not much of a view. But anyways, can see the ocean. So now gonna get freshen up and see you guys in a bit. Guys, now going for breakfast. It's almost 9:45 a.m. So we didn't had any food since last night. So yeah, going for some breakfast or some brunch. It's actually brunch time 10. So let's go.
উপরে যাচ্ছে
Oh, finally some free walking. No bag, no luggage. এটা দেখাবে নাকি মেজবা?
না না
মেজবাতে যাই। Guys, going to have some food in Mezba. I've seen this restaurant in YouTube loads and loads of times. Everyone comes to Cox's Bazar, Chittagong and eats in here. Guys, foods have started coming in, and first they served the naan and the paratha. The paratha looks really nice and the naan looks really nice. So we have ordered loads of foods, so you guys will see how many foods we have ordered. Paratha, naan, chicken, dal, egg.
Why are you talking like in Indian?
I'm the South Asian guy talking in English. So yeah, let's see. Egg is here. Chicken is here. Veg bhaji is here. আর কি অর্ডার দিছে?
Chicken soup.
হ্যাঁ
সুপার দেরি
চিকেন স্যুপ দিয়ে রুটি পাওয়া
एक day this is it guys, so let's enjoy the food. So guys, let's try the food. First time eating in Mezban Hotel restaurant. The vegetable dal is really tasty.
গেলে খাওয়া দাওয়া সমস্যা হবে
কলকাতা কুয়াকাটা না না অনেক রেস্টুরেন্ট আছে
ভালো ভালো না ভালো না
ভালো ভালো The egg omelette is perfect. No, no. Okay, pardon me. No. অমলেটটা অনেক মজা
বললাম না ডিম কিছুটা তো ডিম হয় Ini lain bodoh. Kamu kencang mobil tu.
Let's try the chicken. Perfect. Chicken jhal fry maybe.
Bisa nasi tu juga malu aja. Jadi bodoh kerana karal lagi. Kerana kita malu. Ji, betul betul. Cini tu kau muda.
Everything is so perfect, guys. So see you guys after finishing the meal, and then see you guys. Hey guys, it was so yummy and everything is gone in a blink of an eye. Really yummy food in Mezban restaurant, Cox's Bazar, Kolatoli Road. Hey guys, all those food so cheap, money so affordable. Oh, all those food is only 560 taka. So imagine you can have all those food, you know, and it will cost and also for 2 person, not for 1 person, at only 560 taka. So I'm thinking about moving to Cox's Bazar because it's so cheaper living in Cox's Bazar than Dhaka city. So yeah, probably will move to Cox's Bazar, I think. What do you think? Because Cox's Bazar is so cheap living than Dhaka city. So should I move to Cox's Bazar from Dhaka city?
Cox's Bazar is not cheap.
Not cheap. All those food only 560 taka.
Nasta. Dinner lunch Nasta to Dhaka is
No, nasta the Dhaka are expensive. So I don't know. I want to move to Cox's Bazar. So let's see what happens. In near future, probably will move to Cox's Bazar. So guys, now gonna go to our room and chill. No more plans until we wake up. একটা নিলেই তো। Lupen bhai is struggling with mineral water and the food bill. Who's gonna hold the water? Chill out session. Hey guys, just got to our room and I think now I'm gonna end the vlog. So after 3 years again came back to Cox's Bazar and it feels awesome now. So yeah, this was the vlog about from Dhaka to Cox's Bazar, and then after coming to Cox's Bazar, getting a hotel room, and then went for our breakfast. And hope you guys loved the video and watched till the end. And thanks for stick with the video till the end and watching it all, what we did and how we got here. And this time Cox's Bazar tour is sponsored by Lupen bhai, my cousin elder brother from another mother. So yeah, so this was it guys, and back in my balcony with a narrow view of the ocean, alleyway view actually between 2 buildings. So yeah, so hope you guys loved it, and definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like and share my video. And see you guys. If you go outside tonight, later today, then probably we'll start a new vlog, or maybe this is the vlog for today and maybe we'll start a new one tomorrow. So yeah, so this was it, and see you guys in the next one.